Alright guys, today we just decided to go out and do a little exploring, check some things out up here that we've been wanting to check out. We're up here at the Clark Adventure Zone right now, and we're going to be checking out the Clark Adventure Zone. Alright. Alright guys, it's pretty rough road getting up here. Let me show you the road here. See this road right here? It's all dirt. It's a little, it's not paved. It's been raining, so a lot of it has a little bit of washout on it, but hey, we got up here. But anyways, you can see here they got a nice go-kart track. It's one of the things they have here. I'll list all the prices in their brochure at the end, and then they have like a little seating area up here with some benches. In case it rains, you don't have to get wet. You can hang out under here. But yeah, it's a pretty neat little go-kart track they got going on here. There's the man, Speed Racer. And they even have height restrictions. So you have to be, a minimum height is 4 foot 8 inches or 142 centimeters to ride the go-karts. This is inside here in the go-kart area. You can see got helmets there you must wear. But yeah, inside the go-kart area. Seating here, if you want to just be a fan, check out the guys riding. Got a seating area here. And you can see it's very nice, very quiet up here. A lot of mango trees up here. On the way up, we've seen a lot of farms. A lot of mango tree farms, calamansi trees, banana tree farms. Actually, this right over here is Zootopia. I'm going to head over there, but not today. I want to check that place out. Trackside Bar and Grill, Family Day Barbecue, 4th Sunday every month from noon till 5. RBI Steakhouse, which is down in Angeles, which I did a video down there. They have the great cheesesteaks. They come up here and they do the barbecue. I'll go in there and I'll show you the prices of everything. Alright, so here are the prices of the barbecues. Chicken, steak, or chicken half, shrimp, hamburgers, hot dogs, smoked sausage, includes potato and macaroni salad, corn on the cob, baked beans, and 1 glass of iced tea or lemonade. Alright, here are the cottages that they have for rent. You can see they're very nice. They're actually locked. It's actually during the week right now, and as you can see, there's really nobody here, but they are open. So if you do want to come up during the week, they do have, you know, things up and running during the week. But yeah, these cottages can be rented out. Like I said, at the end of the video, I'll put up a list of all the price for everything. Price of the cottages, how many people they hold, the prices, and also what the activities are and the prices of the activities. But yeah, here they are. These are the cottages. Got a nice little swimming pool area here. A couple little slides there. Now she told me they're not running right now because of the rainy weather. So they're not being used right now according to what she was telling me, but it's only because of the rainy weather. And you can see they also have little cottages too. You can hang out and have a little picnic. I think these are also cottages back in here. So these are a little bit bigger than the other ones, but you can also rent these cottages out also. They even have an ungoi. They have a monkey here. Monkey's name is Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Barbie's busy. Barbie's busy cleaning herself up, trying to look pretty. Hi, Barbie. Oh, there goes Barbie. But yeah. They have a little target here. She told me it's BB shots only. 100 pesos for 22 shots. I'll show you a little BB range here, a little shooting target area here. It's all enclosed with fencing and everything like that, but eye protection must be worn at all times inside the target zone. But yeah, you can see they have a little target zone in there. Some of the rules and regulations for off-road buggy rules, or Clark Adventure Park off-road buggy rules and regulations. So there are some of the rules and regulations. These are part of the, or some of the dune buggies here that they use for off-roading. You see them, couple two-seaters here. They're not very big, but they look like a lot of fun. Couple four-wheelers here. But yeah, it's very nice up here. It's very quiet up here. That's what I like. No noise. These are the Fun Cart Off-Road Speedway carts. Go in here and check them out. See, they provide helmets, goggles. Here's your goggles they provide, and your helmets that they provide. Must be the garage. Yeah, this is the garage where they work on all the buggies and everything. That's a cool looking buggy right there. You can see they got quite a few, you know, quite a lot of buggies here. Alright, so I'm going to head out here and show you guys the Fun Cart Off-Road Speedway. She told me this track here is about 1 kilometer long, and they got singles and they got doubles. So you want to ride single, you can ride single. If you want to ride double, you can ride double. But yeah, there are the carts right there. And evidently the track goes up and around 1 kilometer and then back. All the prices, like I said, I'm going to list at the end. They all vary in prices, but this is another one of the, you know, activities you can do here. Now, I haven't been down here, but I'm yes, there's activities down here also. So we're going to come down here and check it out. Mini rifle target shaped. Mini rifle target shooting. Here it is. I think it's just pellet guns only, BBs or pellets, one of them, but it's definitely not, you know, it's not a rifle range or a pistol range for any high caliber pistols or rifles. Then I think this up here is the bow and arrow up here. Bow and arrow shooting up here. Here's your targets down there. Alright, so here's the zip line here. I actually did find it. And she walked me out here. You can see the zip line runs from here all the way down to there. So there's the zip line. Right over the mango trees. Alright guys, yeah, I wanted to show you the road real quick here. We're actually on our way out. We got to go down the way we came in because they're doing some work on the exit area, or the exit road. But yeah, you can see it's just a dirt road that comes up through here. Comes up through the, you know, through the woods here, through the jungle. mango trees around and everything. But you know, people come up here every Saturday and Sunday, so. But anyways, it's part of the adventure. I don't want to drive because the camera will wind up shaking all around. Alright. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Remember, if you're up in the area here, Angeles, Clark. Hello, good morning. Make sure you check out the Clark Adventure Park up here. Like I said, it's a cool looking place. We're going to definitely come up probably on the weekend sometime and enjoy some of the fun up here. But anyways guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, like, share, dislike, share with your family and friends, leave some comments below, and until next time.